morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Switch on your videos.
Ma'am, I have switched it on.
Switch on your videos. Utsav, yes. Jayesh and Chuman, switch on your video. Jayesh and Anshuman, switch on your video. You have submitted your notebooks?
No, ma'am.
Have you all submitted your books? Not now. Why?
Ma'am,
Dev?
ma'am, and in the place where I am, ma'am, the school is about.
We will do the revision work. Revision of the chapter 7, fractions. Oh, sorry, chapter 5. So chapter 5, multiples and factors. We will do the multiples and factors. And in next revision of the multiples and factors, new chapter we will start afterwards. Wait a minute.
Good morning, ma'am.
And
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning, sir. Yes. And multiples and factors we will do the revision. If you have submitted your notebook, you can make one notebook as a revision notebook. You can make one notebook as a revision notebook, or the one you can do in the notebook of reasoning also, if you want. Make one revision notebook so that whenever you submit your copies, you will do the revision in revision notebook. Okay. Excuse me. Saying, all of you understood what I'm saying? You will make
Yes,
one
ma'am.
revision notebook. You will make one revision notebook so that whenever you submit your notebooks, you will do the work in your revision notebook. Okay? It will happen that one chapter completed and you have to submit your notebook. And then the chapter completed, you have to submit your notebook. It may happen. So what we are going to do, we are going to make one revision notebook so that whenever you submit your notebook, you don't have a notebook, you will do the work in revision notebook. Understood? Nobody will
Yes.
do revision work in maths fair notebook.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we can do revision work in reasoning notebook also.
No, make a revision note. You can do.
excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, there is a wrong spelling of revision. Excuse
It is
me, ma'am.
correct, Abhimanyu, it is correct. So please wait. You are not able to see it because of the light. It is correct.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Huh.
Ma'am, at the place I am, I was telling you that I do not have any draft copy.
Beta, we will see. We will see for the distance once. Abhi, wait.
No,
Okay?
I only have my maths copy and reasoning copy and my reasoning.
What, Dave? What happened? What happened,
Ma'am,
Dave?
at the place where I am, I do not have my reasoning copy,
You
and
don't have.
this time I even also do not have the I have the reasoning copy, but I can't use it because I have my reasoning copy left, ma'am, because it is.
So you can do one thing. You can just have a rough notebook. Do you have any rough notebook, Dave?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
So you can do it there. It is simple. Today in the last fifth period, I'm also having fifth period. Then we will do reasoning. Completely, we will practice reasoning in that period. Okay, your exams are approaching, so we will do this revision work of multiples and chapter as well as reasoning today. Okay, we will not discuss further. We will just revise all these work. Okay, now take out your revision notebooks. Nobody will do in maths fair notebook this thing. So that you know. Huh. How many of you have problem in maths or reasoning report cards? Tell me, your marks were different. Yes, Varun, speak. Unmute yourself and speak. Saif got the problem? Huh.
Ma'am, it is showing 20 out of 20 in half yearly, 20 out of 20, and in UT 10 out of 10.
Which subject? Reasoning or maths?
Ma'am, reasoning
What it is showing?
20
Varun,
out of 20
just wait a
and
second.
10 out of 10.
You just show me your report card and I will see, okay? In
Okay, ma'am.
maths. Anybody else face any problem in reasoning or in maths, marks of reasoning and
Ma'am,
maths? Yes, Iram.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
ma'am, ma'am, the report card is showing 40 out of 39, and in the mobile it is showing that 40 out of 40.
In which exam?
Ma'am, when we do exam of
Hmm.
half yearly, it is showing 40 out of 40.
In which subject? In which subject?
Ma'am, maths.
40 out of 40 it was showing. Let me see. Let me see. I know all the marks. Maybe you forget, but I have all the marks written over here. Hmm.
ma'am,
Let's see maths. हाँ बेटा बोलिए.
ma'am, in maths it is showing 78, but my marks are 79.
Iram, you got 36 marks in maths. Iram, you did not get 40 out of 40. You got 36 marks in maths. Iram.
Ma'am, but you have written in the report card 39 marks.
39 it is written. Okay, I will change it then. It will be 36. Iram na, ha. Iram
But
got.
what question I have done?
Beta, I can't tell the whole questions right now like that. I cannot tell, but I know your marks. Your marks are written with me. I have saved a file for yours exam. Iram ka maths. Okay. I will see. And Varun, in maths you got 39. And what is it showing? Varun, 20 out of 20.
No, ma'am, it is in reasoning it is showing 20 out of 20 in half yearly, and in UT 10 out of 10.
Abhi you were saying about maths and now you are saying in reasoning.
Ma'am, it is in reasoning.
Reasoning. I will see in reasoning also. And I will tell you it. If it will be correct, if it will be, there will be a change, it will be changed. And if there will not be a change, it will not be changed. Because I have the marks. My marks are confirmed. Anybody else? Yourself, I will see. Seth and maths, you got 35, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Out
Ma'am,
of 40.
35.
Then it will be 70 out of 80. Out of 80, it will be 70.
Ma'am, I got 40 out of 35.
40 out of 35. Let me see. I will see the report card. Send me 3 of you. Just send me a report card and I will see. And I'll tell your class teacher to do. If the correction will be there, I will ask your class teacher to do it. That's it.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am, in reasoning it is showing 16 out of 30.
Yours report card.
Yes, ma'am.
Utsav reasoning. Okay, I will see. Send me your report card, these students. Sam, Varun, Iram, and Utsav. They will send me their report cards and then I will see what is the change over there. Okay, send me it on my personal number. Okay, I'll tell the class teacher if there will be a change. If there will be, because Iram is saying I got 40 out of 40. Yes, Kushagra, I'm not getting your voice. Please type the message. Kushagra, please type the message. Your voice is not audible. Please type the message. Rest of your report cards are correct? Okay. There were some of the students missing. Right now, I told you that to make a revision copy. Some of the students were missing over here. So I asked the students to make a revision copy because most of your copies are submitted in the school. So better to make a revision copy. Whenever you submit your copies in the school, we will do the work in revision notebook. Okay, so take out your revision notebooks right now.
Ma'am,
Hi, Ram.
ma'am, but I have not submit the my
But it's
notebook because
Ram.
I have only
Ram, if you have it also, then also you have to take out the revision copy. If you have it, if you have your maths copy, then also to take out your revision copy. Except for the Dev, because Dev I have exempted. Dev told me some of the reasons, so Dev I have exempted. Except Dev, everyone is going to do this in rough notebook. Oh, sorry, revision notebook. Revision notebook. Take out your revision notebook.
काम करा है ये लोग का।
Ma'am, can we?
Kushag, whatever your problem you have, you may type your message because I cannot hear you properly.
Ma'am, can we do in reasoning notebook?
No, अब reasoning नहीं, मैं बार बार नहीं बोलूंगी आपको. Simple, I'm saying take out rough note, revision notebook, make a new notebook of revision. That's it. Because you two people don't understand, so I'm telling you, take out new notebook. That's it. And that will be a revision notebook. Because you people don't understand only at once. Okay, let's start the revision of multiples and factors. Okay, I'll start the revision. I'm just explaining the things again. Okay, I'm explaining once again the things. First of all, I'm going to tell you the difference between multiples and factors. Plus, I will give you some extra knowledge also during the revisions. Okay, मैं पुराना ही नहीं repeat कराऊंगी. I'll give you some extra knowledge also based on this. The difference between multiples and factors. Can somebody tell me? Raise your hand.
Ma'am.
In the chat box. Yes, Adrika. Adrika, unmute yourself and tell me the difference between the multiples and factors.
Ma'am, multiples
Hmm.
जो टेबल के अंदर होते हैं
English,
जैसे
English, better, English, English. English, speak in English.
Ma'am, I cannot hear your voice.
Beta,
Can you say it again?
Beta, you have to speak in English. Adrika, can you hear me? Adrika, can you hear me, beta? Okay, she can't tell if anybody else is interested because she might be disconnected. Anybody else who want to tell the difference between multiples and factors? Switch on your cameras. Switch on your cameras. Kushal, Kushal, if you live in Faridpur, so beta, as I told Dave right now, it will take some time. If we will see what we can do for you. But notebook, yes, Seth.
Ma'am, factors are the multiple are the number. Multiples are the number that come in the table of any numbers.
That comes in the table of any number. Like, for
And
example,
yes.
can you give me example?
Ma'am, example 5.
Example.
Ma'am, 5, the multiples of the 5 are 5, 10, 15.
Okay, good.
20.
Good. Now stop. Okay. Now, can you tell me that what are factors?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, factor are the number. Ma'am, the factor are the number that the number come in that table.
For example, can you tell me one example?
Ma'am, example, example.
Anybody else who wants to
Ma'am,
tell? Wait a
two.
minute, Seth. Kushag, beta, stop shouting like this. You're not. Kushag, stop shouting like this. Okay. Next time I don't want shouting like this.
Ma'am, I have a problem in my reasoning. Ma'am, I have a problem in my reasoning result.
Yes, Anshuman, please listen to the teachers also. What you want to speak, now speak.
Ma'am, I have a problem in my reasoning result.
Reasoning result. Okay. What problem do you have? Please, Anshuman. Anshuman, I'm not able to hear you. Type your message in the chat box and send me the report card also on my personal number. I will see to it. If there will be any problem in reasoning, I will tell you. I will tell your class teacher to do the same, and you will get a new report card if there will be any problem. If there will not be any problem, you will not get it. Kushag, now speak. What are factors? And next time, behave well, Kushag. This is not the way to shout in the class.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, factors are the numbers which are divided in order to get the product without leaving the remainder.
Are you reading from somewhere?
No, ma'am, I have revised it yesterday night only.
Okay, good. Ashvik, can you tell me what are factors? Can you tell me what are factors? Ashvik, are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Ashvik, so tell me what are factors? What are factors? Did your mother beat you today? Huh? Anshuman, I will see to it. Send me the report card on my personal number. I will see to it. If there will be any problem, I will tell you. If there is no problem, I'll not. It is not going to be changed. Ashvik, batao beta, what are factors? Ashvik,
Am I but no factor?
you don't know factors. This is very bad, Ashvik. We have done the whole chapter and you have not know. You don't know what are factors. Okay, see now, everyone. What is the difference between the multiples and factors? Multiples are the answer of multiplication. Multiples are the answers of multiplication. 5 ones are 5. And if you can say 100 is a multiple of 5, yes, 100 is a multiple of 5. But you say 5 tens are 50. After that, when does 100 comes in the table of 5? So what you have to do, you have to divide 5 by 100. 5 twos are 10. And when you subtracted 0, you will copy this 0 over here. 5 zeros are 0. 20 times. 5 20s is 100. That's why when the remainder is 0, that means this number is a multiple of this number. What are factors? See, multiples and factors, I told you, they are opposite of each other. For example, I'm writing 3 twos are 6. So 3 and 2 are factors of 6. 3 and 2 both are factors. 3 and 2 both are factors, and 6 is a multiple. 6 is a multiple and 3 and 2 are factors. This is the difference between the factors and multiples. Factors and multiples are opposite of each other. Factors means in which table does this number come? For example, there is number 27. Okay, in which you have to tell all those numbers in which this 27 comes. Okay, 27 comes in the table of 1, 3, 9 and 27. So these are factors of 27. Acha, what are other more differences or similarities between multiples and factors? Okay, see, multiples are infinite. Multiples are infinite. Please switch on your videos, everyone. Keep your videos on during the class. Mic off, video on. That's it. See, 5, 10, 15 and so on. Multiples are infinite. You can take out as many multiples as you want. If you want the 1000th multiple also, you can take out the 1000 multiple also of any number. If you're supposed to take out the 5th multiple of any number, you can take out the 5th also. You can take out the 1 lakh the multiple of any number, you can take out even that multiple also. Multiples are infinite. Infinite means they are not going to end. They are not going to end. Okay, multiples are infinite. But factors, they are limited only. Factors, they are limited only. And it is, if 27 has 4 factors, 27 will have only 4 factors. And it depends on number to number. For example, 5 will have only 2 factors. If you say a number 24, it will have a lot of factors. About 8 to 10 factors it will have. It will come in the table of 24, comes in the table of many numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, like that. Understood the difference between the multiples and factors? Okay, see, the multiple of a number is the number itself. The multiple of a number is a multiple itself. And the factor of a number is also the factor itself. Okay? But the greatest factor of a number is the number itself. Tell me, which is the greatest factor among these? Which is the greatest number? Which is the greatest over here?
27.
27. That means greatest factor of 27 is 27. What is the greatest factor of 25? Oh, sorry, 5.
Ma'am, 5.
5 only. What will be the greatest factor of 24?
24.
24 only. Okay, 24 only. So the greatest factor, and 1 is a factor of every number. See, 1 is a factor of every number. And 0 is a multiple of every number. 0 is a multiple of every number. Because if I say you find the 0th multiple of, who is this speaking? Please use the chat box. The one who is speaking, because your voice is not audible. 0th multiple of 7. 7 zeros are 0. Okay, 0 is not a factor of any number. 0 is all the numbers are factors of 0. All the numbers are factors of 0, but 0 is not a factor of any number. Okay, now I am giving you some questions to do. Acha beta, tell me quickly, how will you check whether this number is a multiple of this number or not? How will you check? Or whether this number is a factor of this number or not, any other number. Chalo, I'll give you question, then you will become to know. Yes, you can tell if you know.
Ma'am, by divisibility.
By divisibility, nahi, beta, by dividing. Good. By dividing, we will check. And by dividing, if we get the remainder as 0, then this number is divisible by that means this number is divisible by this, and this is a factor of this number. Okay. Now, let me give you the question. Divisibility factors. Write down this, fill in the blanks. In last period, we will do the reasoning questions. Oh, what is the heading? In revision notebook, sorry. Where you have to write it and what you have to do, I'm just writing it on the top. Write it in maths revision notebook. Maths revision notebook. Okay. Write at the top revision first. Revision first and of chapter 5. Revision first of chapter 5 and put down the date also. And I asked everyone to keep their cameras on every time. It is compulsory for you all to keep your cameras on until and unless there is no network issue. Okay, write down the question, fill in the blanks. It may be fill in the blank, it may be one word also. Okay, so I'm not writing any question over here, I'm just writing the with numbers. Write question 1. Dash 2, comma dash and dash are factors of 12. Write question 2 then. Can a factor be
It is.
okay? Very good. Right, good questions. There are some very good questions. Right. The multiples of 13, 50, 50, and 100. Do them quickly. And if you are not able to complete in this class, send me in next one. Be quick. See here quickly. I'm writing the answers with a blue pen. Dash, dash, and dash are factors of 12. If you take out the factors of 12, you will find 1 and 12 will be there. 3 or 4 can also be there. It can be 4 also, as you wish. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 12 are the factors. Can a factor be greater than a number? No. Factor, the greatest number is the factor is the number itself. 13 between it, you can write 52, 65, 78, and 90.